guys, it's Hedva here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this cute little octopus reversible puppet. Sorry to interrupt, but if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe. And if you haven't liked this video, go like it. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram at HedvaWorld for more content. Thank you. Enjoy. The materials that you need to make this reversible octopus puppet are cardboard. I recommend you guys using this thin piece of cardboard, but if you don't have a thin piece of cardboard, then you can also use the regular one, like the thick one. But like I said, I recommend using the thin one. White paper, you probably can't see it, but here it is. Scissors. Glue. Right here I'm using a glue stick, but you can also use hot glue or any other type of glue. An eraser and a pencil, some markers or color pencils, and some tape. Right here I'm using double-sided tape and also clear tape. And without further ado, let's get started. So first, take your cardboard, your pencil, and the eraser, and also a circle object to trace a circle. So the first thing that you want to do is draw a circle on the middle of the cardboard. After you're done drawing the circle, go ahead and draw little tentacles on the sides. This part took a while because it's really hard to draw tentacles like this, but just take your time and at the end it will all be worth it. Finally, I'm finished drawing the design. I know it does look kind of wonky, but it's the best that I can do. And don't forget to do 8, because one time I did a mistake of drawing 10 tentacles. But yeah, let's move on. Now go ahead and grab 2 pieces of cardboard. One is the cardboard that you draw a design on, and the other one is a fresh new cardboard. So what you want to do is stack them like this, then tape the sides so while you're cutting them, the cardboard doesn't slide around. After you're done taping it, go ahead and cut it out. Now when you have 2 pieces of cardboard, put it to the side. Now trace the cardboard onto the paper. So after you're done tracing the cardboard, go ahead and color it with the colors of your choice. You can also take some references from the internet. Right here, I think I'm gonna be doing this right here, the yellow and orange octopus. So yeah, let's get coloring. So here it is, I already colored the octopus, and now we just need to tape it. After you're done cutting it, go ahead and glue the paper onto the cardboard. Next, grab a piece of paper, then fold it in half. Now draw a circle slightly bigger than this hole. Now do the back side too. Now draw a happy face at the bottom. Here is the happy face. I accidentally colored the highlights and so it does look kind of scary, but it's okay. Now I'm drawing the angry face. After you're done drawing the face, go ahead and color the circle. After you're done coloring it, go ahead and put some tape on top of it. So I already done that. Now I just need to cut it. But before you cut it, don't forget to glue the paper together. Now cut a line until the middle, just like this. After you're done that, make a cone shape just like this and tape it. And do the back side too. Now tape the cone shape onto the cardboard. After you're done, go ahead and glue the other piece. And you're done! And that is how to make a DIY reversible octopus puppet. Anyways guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fidget videos. And also don't forget to watch my other videos. And thank you guys for watching. Bye! Chu-chu-chu-chu, the end.